Oh, what do we have here? Officer pinned between two cars by drunk driver. Ooh, that gotta be painful.
Officers in Florida had just stopped a wanted man, and within a minute, tragedy would strike.
What I do?
You got a warrant for your arrest, bro.
What do you mean?
You the owner of the vehicle?
Huh?
You the registered owner of the vehicle?
Yes, sir.
All right, we're gonna talk real quick. Go ahead, open the door, big dog. Step out the vehicle for me, boss man.
Oh my gosh.
You good, man? You can leave the black amount right there. Put your phone over there too.
I just came off of work.
I know, bro. We're gonna talk about it.
Just do me a favor, face that way.
Face away from us.
Sir, I got a warrant for my arrest. I didn't even know that. Sir.
We'll talk about it right now. Ain't no biggie.
Can I call my mom real quick, please?
We'll talk. We'll talk. We'll talk.
But boss, I did not know I had a warrant.
Oh, what the fuck?
Rescue right now. Move my car. I can't. Bro, move back. Move that one back.
Oh shit.
Move that car back. Move it back.
Oh.
Give me rescue right now. You just 6 mile marker.
Who is this? Open up. Who's
What
this?
the fuck?
No idea if you just struck Suji.
Open up. Open the door. Let me see your hands.
I'm not.
Oh yeah, your ass going to jail.
Are you okay?
Are you?
Step out. Step out.
I will.
What is your name?
My name is Alex.
Okay, Alex. I need you to.
How in the fuck does that happen of all things?
Do whatever you want.
Juju, give me your leg.
Juju.
Give me the tourniquet. His leg is completely broken.
Oh. Oh shit.
6120, tourniquet applied to the left leg.
Juju.
Is he okay? No.
Hell no, his shit broke.
I need rescue. Broken leg.
6210, have rescue expedite.
I'm sorry. I am so sorry.
Yeah,
Wait,
relax.
I'll sit down. I'll sit down.
Is she drunk?
I'll sit down for anything.
Hey, were you injured at all, sir? Were you injured at all?
Yeah, my leg.
What do you got?
I need another tourniquet.
Hernandez, direct traffic.
Where are you hurt?
Oh, my leg.
Keep breathing, bro. Keep breathing.
How's my leg?
Keep breathing, Papo.
Were you struck by the vehicle?
Yeah, I was hit with him. We was together.
I'm so sorry.
I know.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Just relax, man.
Put her in the back of my car.
Is he okay? In the front seat, please.
You have someone in your front seat?
What the fuck?
Let me find out who's in the front. Can you find out who's in the
There's nobody in this car.
Can you take control of her? Let me go.
Yeah.
Let me go help her.
I will.
Is she hallucinating?
I'm sorry. That's fine.
I think, sir, can you, I think she's driving under influence. So basically he did a traffic stop. She came in, hit the back of this car, and he was in the middle of the car here.
You're just being detained for now, okay?
That's fine.
This is like some Final Destination shit right here. They need to take her driver's license for the rest of her life.
Hold on, my leg.
You good? I know, Papo. I know. I'm sorry, bro. I gotta put this tight on you, bro. Here, here's another one. All right, we're good now. We good? Right, get some gloves on. Let's start cutting this short up.
This was the traffic
I got
stop.
you, bro.
Yeah, this was a traffic stop.
I got you.
We got him. I got you, Goo.
You got me. Switch up for me. Just worry about him. Get rescued. See if he has any injuries.
Where does it hurt? Right here?
You got some extra gloves? You good? Rescue's already here, all right, Papo? Rescue's almost here.
Hang in there, brother. Well, I'm gonna need my phone to call my people.
I got you,
Yeah,
Papa.
yeah, I got you. Don't worry about that phone. We got you, man.
What's wrong with this dude? Hey, man.
I hit my leg.
I got hit too with the car.
I got you. Give me a second, all right?
Boy, I would have been filing the mother suit so fast, I wouldn't went and did my time. But I damn sure would have been suing the fuck out of her. I needed at least 150,000.
You pulled that car over, bro. I was right behind him, dude. Can you move it at all? He's got a leg injury.
I got a full broken leg over here, left leg. Tourniquet applied.
He was crushed
He got
between the
crushed
vehicles.
between two vehicles on him.
You good, Juju? You're good. You're good, Papa. I mean, I gotta put this on you, all right? In case you're bleeding. It's gonna be a little tight, but it has to be. You got me?
Cap. What the hell's going on? Traffic stop. We had a suspect vehicle. They get ready to do a traffic stop. They had their cars here with the lights on. This vehicle behind them hits the patrol car, catches Garcia in the middle of the car, makes contact with him, breaks his leg. He's got his leg broke. And then you got our suspect had a leg injury. I wasn't here for the leg injury part.
You got this. You got this, Juju.
I got you. I got you.
Let me get it. They're gonna fly me out. I need it. Are you okay?
Are they okay?
Yeah, roll this window down, bro. 6102, copy of Minnesota tag.
He might have a leg injury. I have a necessity. I put a tourniquet on him just in case.
Okay, is it bleeding?
I don't see any blood.
No, no blood?
So he might just been from the crash. You don't feel like I don't think you have any bones out.
Your hip?
He just had a leg injury right here. I wasn't sure, but I don't think he's bleeding or nothing like that.
We're gonna put you in the backboard. We're gonna fly you out, okay?
I need my phone, man.
Because of the way your leg is. Okay. We're gonna have a hard time trying to put you on the backboard, okay?
When did you get that? Who's this guy?
This is our suspect. This was our suspect. Yeah, this him.
Where's the one that hit?
She's in the back of.
Okay.
I don't see his keys.
He probably got tossed from his pocket. You're good, man.
I should have pulled that car over. It's behind it.
About it right now.
So what's the reason you put the tourniquet on?
Yeah, shut your ass up.
From the pain?
Just, yeah, I didn't know what was going on. It was a crazy scene. I went over there. He was bleeding out, so I just put it. So he might not have anything at all.
My leg right there is cut up.
But you don't have any major bleeding or anything like that. You don't feel like nothing dripping over here? Okay, so this is probably fine. I'm gonna take it off.
Go slow.
So this guy, he's gonna stay with him to the hospital and then serve the warrant.
We got you, we got you. Whatever you need.
Is he going here? No. He's taking the next rescue.
I really wanted you to stay with him to be like the contact with his family.
I got you.
But stay with him, like his phone, all his stuff. But can you just go with it?
Absolutely, 100%.
Okay.
I'm going without a doubt.
Watch this leg, Taylor. Watch this leg. Don't grab him like that, Taylor.
Taylor, you just focus on that one leg. All right. He can roll. No, on his bad leg.
I got you back here, man.
Ready? Together. 1, 2, 3.
He's not on yet. He's not on yet.
No. You're good. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
There you go.
All right.
His radio's on the ground.
5117 Kilo.
That's what I'm thinking a little bit. Or not really. Still the same pain? Still the same? All right. We're gonna give you more. All right?
Damn, bro, that's gotta suck so bad.
Let's just go up slowly, all right? All right, we'll try.
Brother, is there any way we can put the cuffs in the front?
I got you, brother.
Oh, I need a minute.
I saw the whole thing. I was right behind this car.
What the fuck, bro? Is that the sergeant? Dog, y'all want to know what he looked like? Nah, ain't no fucking way, bro. From toy soldiers, can't even get the word out. Toy soldiers, bro. I know you lying. Yo, that's crazy. That's fucking crazy. Right here. Oh, shit.
You know what? He's conscious and alert.
Yes.
All right?
Yes.
So take a moment, get your thoughts together, and let's get back to work. I'll move it out.
Would they cuffed him to the gurney or something?
He's gonna be all right. So stay focused until we get done with this, all right?
How quick were you on scene, if you don't mind me asking?
I was right behind the car. So I got on the highway back there by Founders Park, and this car was in front of me. I was already en route to back this guy up.
Yeah.
The deputy that was injured.
Yeah.
He's out with a guy with a warrant. So I'm coming over here. I get behind this vehicle. I can see it swerving a little bit. And as soon as we get up, I see it starting to drift, and I turn my lights on. And it was already too late. He hit the back of the car, and then all I heard was screaming. Okay. So I ran out of my car, got into his patrol unit, and immediately backed it up and pushed this car back. Then we got her out of the vehicle, and she's been in the back of my car.
You all right, bro?
Yeah, good. I'm good.
Need to take a minute?
No, I'm good. I'm just trying to stay focused on this.
Yeah, I was gonna tell you, man. If you need to take a minute,
I just want to make sure he's good, bro. That's it.
Right. We're gonna be here. We're gonna be here for a minute. So you need to make a phone call to the wife, things like that.
Juju, the only thing I care about right now, man.
I know.
7214 on Patrol 2.
I know, man.
The driver who crashed into Officer Garcia, 26-year-old Alexandra Barraga, was taken to the hospital where her blood alcohol content measured 0.31%, nearly 4 times the legal limit. She was charged with DUI causing serious bodily injury to a law enforcement officer, reckless driving causing serious bodily injury, DUI with a BAC of 0.15 or higher, 3 counts of DUI causing property damage or injury, driving without a valid license, and operating as a non-resident without proper registration, a charge that was later dropped. The man deputies originally stopped that night, 20-year-old Andrew Gibson, survived with no life-threatening injuries. The crash missed him by inches. He was taken to jail on his outstanding failure to appear warrant. Officer Julian Garcia was airlifted to the hospital, where he underwent multiple surgeries. He survived, but the impact shattered his left leg, and doctors were forced to amputate below the knee. During his recovery, the community rallied around him. Garcia was awarded the Purple Heart, and local organizations raised tens of thousands of dollars to support his rehabilitation and his family. After months of physical therapy and prosthetic training, Garcia returned to duty. In 2025, he was back on the job, working alongside Officer Richard Rodriguez, the same partner he was with that night. As for Barraga, her criminal case remains open. Court records show ongoing hearings, motions, and canceled trial dates as the case continues through the system more than a year later.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. I'm tired. We out.